Welcome to Gadget Vox. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's latest and greatest, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone is packed with features that are sure to impress. Samsung consistently pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. It's a testament to their commitment to innovation and excellence. Buckle up as we explore the features and performance that make this phone a true game changer. From its sleek design to its powerful internals, there's a lot to cover. This is Samsung's most ambitious phone yet. They've really outdone themselves this time. We're talking cutting-edge display technology, with a screen that offers stunning clarity and vibrant colors, a camera system that rivals professional setups, allowing you to capture breathtaking photos and videos with ease, and enough power to handle anything you throw at it. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or streaming, the S24 Ultra can do it all. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a phone that can do it all, the S24 Ultra deserves a closer look. It's versatile, powerful, and designed to meet all your needs. Let's break down what makes this phone so special. Stay tuned as we delve into its standout features and see why it's creating such a buzz in the tech world. Right out of the box, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra makes a statement. The design is sleek and modern, with refined lines and a premium feel, but it's what's under the hood that truly sets this phone apart. We're talking top-of-the-line specs across the board. The S24 Ultra is built for speed, efficiency, and pushing the limits of mobile technology. This is a phone that can handle anything you can throw at it, from demanding gaming to intensive multitasking. Get ready to experience a new standard in smartphone performance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display. Trust me, this isn't just any screen. With a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, everything is razor sharp. But it's not just about sharpness. Colors are incredibly vibrant and lifelike, thanks to Samsung's Dynamic AMOLED technology. And with a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through websites and menus is unbelievably smooth. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, playing graphically intense games, or just browsing social media, this display will blow you away. Section 4, Photography Reimagined. Let's talk about the camera system on the S24 Ultra because it's on another level. This isn't just any camera, it's a powerhouse of innovation and technology. We're talking about a quad camera setup that captures stunning photos and videos in any situation. Whether it's day or night, indoors or outdoors, this camera delivers. The star of the show is the 108-megapixel wide-angle lens. This lens is designed to capture every detail with precision and clarity. This thing captures incredible detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting. Low light? No problem. The S24 Ultra excels where others struggle. And with the ultra-wide lens, you can capture those epic landscapes without leaving anyone out of the shot. Perfect for group photos and breathtaking scenery. The S24 Ultra also packs a 10 times optical zoom lens, so you can get up close and personal with your subjects, capture the smallest details from a distance. And let's not forget about the dedicated depth sensor, which helps you take professional-looking portraits with beautifully blurred backgrounds. It's like having a studio in your pocket. With all these features combined, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra redefines what a smartphone camera can do. It's versatile, powerful, and ready for any photography challenge you throw at it. Section 5. Power and Performance Unleashed. Now let's dive into what makes this phone truly sing, the performance. It's not just about speed, it's about redefining what you can expect from a smartphone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This cutting-edge chip ensures that every task, no matter how demanding, is handled with ease. This thing is a beast, delivering lightning-fast performance no matter what you're doing. From launching apps to running complex simulations, it never breaks a sweat. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a multitasking machine, or someone who loves to push their device to the limits, or just someone who demands the best in every aspect of their digital life, the S24 Ultra can handle it all with grace and power. Apps launch in a snap, games run buttery smooth, and multitasking is seamless. The experience is nothing short of extraordinary. Everything just feels incredibly responsive, making every interaction a joy. And with a massive battery and fast charging capabilities, you never have to worry about running out of juice. You can stay productive and entertained all day long, no matter how you use your phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with your lifestyle, ensuring you're always connected and ready for anything. Section 6. The verdict. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a true flagship phone that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its incredible camera system, this phone has it all. If you're looking for the ultimate Android experience, look no further. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is a game changer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to GadgetVox for more in-depth tech reviews.